Hey guys, welcome! I've just finished another great trading session, binary options on Quotex. If you want to find out the result I got today in this trading session, watch this video till the end. Make sure to do that and click the bell icon to get notified of the other videos to come. Follow, like, all that. Let's go and start right now. I'm Oliver. Let's go. Right guys, I am going to start with the first option. And we are going from the, let's have a look, we're going from the support there. I'm gonna go ahead for the call option because this looked like we are likely to break through this this resistance. So we got the moving average kind of acting as a resistance here, or obviously you can see that this represents like the channel's middle. Basically, if you would use the Downtrend channel or the Keltner, this would be the middle of the channel. This basically the whole indicators thing is that they are very similar. They're doing the same role in different representations. So right now the moving average is basically representing this middle, and here we have the first profit, guys. Let's place 182, and basically we went through as if it was the channel. Basically, in my imagination, I see the channel and I see that we're trying to break through the middle. Now we're gonna go and test the top. Basically, you see also the parabolic SAR, and if you look at it, there is a channel between parabolic SAR and moving average. There is a channel. You got the tops, you got the bottoms of the parabolic, and then the middle is the moving average. So let's continue, guys. Also, I've got the oscillator Williams today. Okay, right here we're going down to test this middle now, so to test the moving average. So yeah, exactly as I would do with, if it was the channel, I would go for a short. So yeah, let's wait for the result of this and continue. Wow, it got through and beyond. It went down through to test the parabolic SAR actually, and well, if it's gonna break through it, I think it's gonna bounce off up from this as if it would from the bottom of the channel. But oh, it looks like it's actually going through. Wow. Or it would go through, but we're gonna go ahead and switch to the next one. To the next currency. By the way, guys, yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also don't forget that in the description to this video you can find a Telegram invitation link to the group where you can learn about trading from beginner to intermediate and advanced. You can always find useful stuff there. Me and my team, we share our experience, and it's just a useful resource, guys, if you want to learn. It applies to all trading, not just the binary options. Well, let's continue. 349 and the next currency. Right, we see that we are going through some okay, it broke the resistance. Basically, it broke the resistance level and it went up. I'm gonna go with the call option here because I see that the trend permits me to just go with it for now. I hope I don't catch the pullback. I think there is still some time, or if the pullback happens, maybe we'll go back up. It looks like it's happening, but anyway, let's wait for the result and continue. Guys, this is the next profit, 670. It's getting pretty quick to some high numbers because we started with almost 100 already. So yeah, this works out pretty well. We're using the compound percentage here to make our profits. grow faster. Basically, I'm reusing what I earned in this option towards the next option, and therefore I get the payout a lot higher. So let's do that, guys. Let's continue. Right, 670. We're gonna go ahead towards the next option. I'm gonna well, I'm switching between them for those who don't know, because I look for these very clear situations. Maybe like here, for example, this is like a strong downtrend. It's good because it's clear. It's clear. We got a downtrend. Now we're looking at parabolic SAR. We're looking that the whole mood is like going down. The Williams is below. It's trying to go up, but there is resistance. So I'm just going with the trend for now, and I think it's gonna fall and go back up a bit and test this resistance again. But right now there is no signs of change of the direction for now. So yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. Here is the profit, guys. You can see now we got to 4 figures finally, and it starts cracking because we can now put 8,000 towards the next option, and it's just gonna fly. As long as we keep making the correct decisions, it's gonna fly. So let's go ahead and go with the next one. I'm gonna place, actually I'm gonna keep it at 6.7. Can I put, oh I can. I'll put the 1200 in, and that way it's even better. Right, so let's have a look. Okay, so there was this big impulse, but it reached the resistance by the look. So I'm gonna go ahead with a short, because by going up to test this resistance, it's gonna bounce off, and we want to be there because we got a small time frame. A lot of time we work with pullbacks, so basically trying to catch a pullback. Let's wait for the result and continue. Hey guys, we got the profit from this option. Let's get into some really nice amounts. 2K391 we got. Next one we're gonna do is 2.3, 2300. Let's do that, guys. Let's place the next option, and actually look, it didn't go into a pullback, just it actually went through again, right through the channel. Let's go choose the next victim. What's happening here? We got a downtrend. There was some, well, actually there was a change of the direction of the trend, so now it's going down. Probably will continue for now, so let's go ahead with it, with this newly forming trend. And it is actually, it's in the zone of being devalued, and but it's still, I think it's still falling, and before it goes up there will be a resistance to break that when it does. So right now everything looks good, so let's just wait for it to finish and continue. Guys, we got the profit of this option, and as you see, 92% from 2300 is bloody good. So 4500 we got on our balance right now. And okay, so what do we do? We're gonna push a bit more. Let's do that. Let's see if we can get one more push from this. 4500, 1.5, and we'll do a triple option. Right, this is looking pretty good actually. I'm gonna go ahead with the newly forming trend. We got supports. We entered at the bottom of the pullback. If you see, two of those, and one of those a bit further because it jumped. But if it goes back up, obviously we're gonna be really good. I think that here it is pretty possible, because there was a downtrend, and then it just entered. If you look at the Williams, it just entered into the zone of being overbought and overvalued. But it's just entered, and it will kind of stay there for a bit, and then it will drop when the seller comes. Right now, I think we got this pin bar actually, which is usually showing that the price is going up in the opposite direction from the pin, which is good. So let's see if that works here. It did, and wow, we got it, guys. We got this one. I'm gonna stop here before I spoil today's profits, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, because I did. I'll see you all next time. All the best. Goodbye.